In this video, I'm going to show you the secret to getting better results from ChatGPT when you are trying to get it to write content for you and social media. So you may have seen this before. I use Airtable to manage all my content, and I use the system to automatically transcribe my video clips that I take from podcast appearances or client calls. And then a series of automations will take that transcript and automatically create a social media post from ChatGPT. I'm easily able to trigger that from my system if I just come over here to transcribe. But there's an issue. When you take a clip from a podcast appearance, sometimes those clips start in a random spot and they end in a random spot, and it's not always a clear, concise message that you can just take and post to social media. And originally, when I tasked ChatGPT to take that transcription and convert it into a social media post, the results were not very good. Sometimes I'd get back some really wonky answers and I would end up rewriting the whole thing anyway. But now I'm going to show you how I'm getting much better results. I'm asking it for 2 different options, and the responses just make a lot more sense, and I have to spend less time cleaning them up to really feel like they came from me. And the answer really just came down to better prompts. When you're sending tasks to ChatGPT, just giving it better information, clear information, and also a point of view to think from. So it's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is to reset ChatGPT. And a lot of my previous attempts at using ChatGPT, I would get the sense that it was using a lot of my other questions to inform how it responded to the next task. So now every time I ask it to take a transcription and write a social media post, I ask it to ignore all previous instructions before this one. And I also give it context on who it is. What is the perspective or point of view it should be writing from? So I tell ChatGPT, you're an expert video content marketer like Gary Vaynerchuk with a serious INTJ personality. In the past, it would write content that was a little bit more flowery than my personality. So I tell it specifically, hey, you're an INTJ and you're a serious person. And then I continue on. I say, you have helped people get on video, make money, and automate their content workflow to scale content distribution. So I'm really telling ChatGPT who it is and what experience it has, so that when it goes to write the content, all of that is informed in its final result. And then finally, once I've reset it, told it who it is, then I give it the task. Your task is to take the video transcript in quotes, and then I insert that transcript here. And then I say, and then turn that into a written post for social media, put each sentence on its own unique line with the space between them. So it's those specific prompts that I give it that have helped me get much better results out of ChatGPT, and took me from a place where I was using ChatGPT, but not actually getting something that I could use, to getting something that I could actually use. I spend much less time cleaning it up, and I feel a lot more comfortable taking that text and posting it to social media because it's actually coming from my point of view. So now when you're using ChatGPT, you can get much better results for yourself. So as always, I hope you found that video valuable. Make sure to check out the next video. I go in depth on how you can build out your own system that is similar to mine. And I also go through in detail how to set up all of the Zaps to build your own Airtable and Zapier and ChatGPT integration. Make sure to check out the video for yourself. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you there.